Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 5 power x plus 5 power x plus 5 power x equal 20 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So 5 power x, if I'll take common, so 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 20. So 5 power x times 3 equal 20. If I'll divide both sides by 3, so this will cancel out. So 5 power x equal 20 by 3. Now if I'll take log on both sides, so log 5 power x equal log 20 by 3. So it becomes x log 5 equal log 20 by 3. So we can use the identity that is log a by b. We can write log a minus log b. So x log 5 equal log 20 minus log 3. If I'll divide both sides by log 5, so this will cancel out. So x equal log 20, we can write it as 5 times 4 minus log 3 by log 5. So x equal log 5 times 4 is log 5 plus log 4 minus log 3 by log 5. So x equal log 5 by log 5 plus log 4 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. So this will cancel out, gives 1. So x equal 1 plus log 4, we can write it as 2 square by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. So x equal 1 plus 2 log 2 by log 5 minus log 3 by log 5. So x equal 1 plus 2 log 2 with base 5 minus log 3 with base 5. So this is a value of x. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next